guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Mowers. Welcome to another review episode. You guys know on the weekends I do my reviews. I got this from a company recently who asked me if I'd like to try out their vacuum cleaner. I says, vacuum cleaner? That's kind of intriguing. So they sent it to me and it came the other day. Today is the only day that I had time from my regular schedule on making videos. And I got this box the other day and it's from Moosoo. It's a Moosoo vacuum cleaner, the K17 series with Cyclone technology. I guess they're kind of comparing this to sort of like a Dyson, which is a top-selling, pretty expensive model here in the United States. Let's open up the box and check it out. Nice box. Good marketing here. Instructions for the model number K17. Get out of here. We don't need no stinking instructions. Forget about it. You can always figure it out yourself. A bag with anchors and screws. Looks like some attachments here, right? The brush attachment. We'll have to figure out what this is. Let me put this to the side over here. Take off this part here. The hose. Insulation, well packaged. This is the main agitating brush for carpeting and floors, right? Cool. Motorized brush. Make our life better. Charging base. Let's see what the charging base looks like. Okay, so it looks like you could affix this to the side of your wall in your garage or your basement or something. They have a video where you're actually, you have it in the living room. I don't think I would put this in my living room, you know what I mean? But behind a door somewhere in a computer room or a small storage area, you know, that would be where you would place this. So it's got your regular 110, 240 volt input, right? Ooh, look at that. This has some significant weight to it. Wow, a mini agitator, you know, brush, motorized brush. It's got prongs in there, so it connects to some kind of power. I think there's a couple of HEPA filters. One HEPA filter. This is very heavy. This is probably the battery. It's a lithium ion battery. Okay, we're going all electric now in the future, as you guys know. Cars, solar panels, outdoor garden tools. Everybody's going electric, fellas. Catch up, you know what I mean? Let's put this together. So I've got everything sprawled out here, okay? I don't know if it's fully charged, but I would think that the first thing you gotta do is insert your HEPA filter. And like I said, I don't do the instructions because I never do. This looks pretty straightforward, I guess. Or maybe not that straightforward, because this is not going to fit in like that. Do I have to whip up the instructions? Do I? Huh? Do I? Listen, I'm one to never look at instructions because I figure I'm smart enough that I can figure out how it goes. You know what I mean? So I figured out that it doesn't go in this way. But let's see, if I just push this down and turn this. Oh, there we go. That comes off just like that, and it already has a filter in it. So this is a spare. So they give you 2 HEPA filters. Very cool. So this is ready to go, man. It just goes on just like that. Very easy. So look, I'm gonna shove the battery in. I don't know whether or not it's fully charged with shipping. Let's just try it. Ooh. One click to turn on, one click to turn off. So you can insert the flexible hose. Would you say it's this way? I would say it's probably this way. Maybe it's not that way. They're probably going like, Henry, it's on the wrong end. Oh, it is that way. Okay. Then you can put this on for your car. You put this one on, brush. Oh, you click it again and it's higher. So that's it. It's 2 switches. One to start at low vacuum, then press it again for high vacuum. I can hear it rattling around in there. Look at that. Sawdust. So look, I'm going to disconnect this part here and attach this huge telescoping pipe, right? This is very good quality, a nice attractive red finish, and it feels like it's aluminum, okay? And it's telescoping because it goes like that. That's awesome. Very good. Feels like it's excellent quality. This attaches to this. Ooh. Let's try this big thing here. Wow. All right, ready? Wow! Wow. As you can see, it also has a light. That's fantastic. We're not finished. We're not finished. So this was the telescoping. Look at how much bigger this can get. Okay. So now we're going to disconnect this part here, and we're going to put the hose back on here. Let's put the hose back on here, right? And this one has a mini. Is this going to work? Wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, this doesn't seem to spin. Maybe I didn't connect it right. Okay, so the hose doesn't have the electric prongs that are in there, so it's not getting any power. So maybe it's not designed to have the mini movable one on that one. Rather, it has the hole inputs for the prongs on this one. So only the agitating motorized spinning brushes only work with the telescoping whatever you call this thing here, the post. Oh, look at that. There you go. And all you have to do is just open it up and dump out the dirt. It's that easy. Very cool, very handy. This is perfect for my garage. Moosoo multi-use vacuum. I really like it. So look, The floor of my garage is absolutely filthy, all right? It's got grass, dirt, everything. Let's just try this. You see how it turns? I just pivot like this and it'll turn left. Pivot to turn right. Fantastic. Awesome. So this is the Moosoo portable wand electric cordless vacuum, handheld with a telescoping wand and motorized with LED agitating vacuum head. This sells for $169.99 on Amazon.com. You could also visit the Moosoo store. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Go check out the Moosoo store for other ingenious products from this company. I like it very much. I think it's very good quality, and it would be very handy around the house for me to have. Actually, I might just use it in my garage. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and video of this new gadget. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.